Welcome everyone back to Mr. Night Weather Updates. First looking at the radar and the precipitation over the next few days and the GFS. Firstly, having a look at the Weather Channel, it's been quite a nice day again. We've seen nice and sunny conditions. It's been quite clear skies as well. So, not been too bad, no cloud. It does say, again, expect dry conditions for the next 6 hours. That's because we're in an area of high pressure. So, that's why. So, temperatures around about average to, I'll say, above. Been to slightly warmer today with 10 and 11 degrees. So, not too bad. Now, temperatures are going to be decreasing throughout the week, so you'll have to keep an eye on that. I know that, I don't know why the radar said it was going to be quite cloudy. It's not been too bad today at all. On to Friday anyway. You can see. A few clouds around, but could see some sunny conditions in the south, or further down south. On to Saturday, you can already see some hill snow happening into the north of Scotland, but still cloudy and a bit showery on to Saturday, so not the best on Saturday. And then on to Sunday, we will be seeing a band of showers with maybe some hill snow a little bit further down in England, so it'll be a bit interesting there. And lots of hill snow going up in Scotland. Now, sometimes this can underdo it a little bit on the GFS, so we're not sure if there will be some snow. It does say okay now, but unless there's something coming in, we might get some snow. I'm not sure, because the radar is not very good at looking at that. Okay, so have a look at temperatures today again. 11 to 12 degrees, I'll say around the average of this year, with a 4 degrees for tonight. Now, the temperatures are going to be declining, so we'll have to see what happens there. On to Friday, it's a little touch cooler. Again, we could see some 11 to 12 degrees, but a little bit cooler in the south. We could just see some 10s. You can already see a peak there. On to Saturday, before the temperatures get a lot darker, a lot colder, we can see here. It is starting to get, you can see some hints of cold coming in already. 6, 8, 9 degrees. Single digits for the north, still in double digits near the south, but on to Sunday, temperatures are starting to get a little bit more smaller. You can see here we're now getting to mid-single digits in the north. In the hills will be a lot colder, and we're nearly losing the single digits. We might just get peaking up to 10, and that is it. So nearly all single digits. And in the far north, we are getting to single digits as well. And then this is where the real drop of temperatures come up. You can see here for the as the night progresses into Monday, the temperatures can get as low as -3 to -4 degrees in the north of Scotland. And not just Scotland, it could even get into northern England. And in the south, 4, 5 degrees, now leaving all of the temperatures behind. And getting even colder onto Tuesday. God, that is very cold, especially with the sea. It can range up to -3 to -6. We might even see a -7. That is very cold for this year. And that -7 is quite widespread. And we could see an area of, if I put the area of pressure on, let's see if the pressure's there. Is that it there? I've not used it for a while. If we have a look at the pressure, we can see, if we look closely, you can't really see very well. High pressure more to the south, it says. Wait, is that what it says? It's very hard to read, really. But it says 10:06, so it could see some winter showers coming in. It's not the best, really, forecasting winter showers on the radar. We can see here how this has happened. You can see here we have the hint of cold air does start to come in on Sunday, but then it spills out onto Tuesday. Doesn't look as sporadic as yesterday, even though it's undoing it. We have an area of low pressure and very cold conditions onto Friday to Saturday. We could see some snow on that. Onto Saturday itself, we could see some prolonged heavy snow. So we'll have to see what happens there. And it's not really the end of that. It's not just going to go back to mild. It's just gonna. There's another area of cold and low pressure just at the end of the month. So still, it could be quite cold for a few weeks. It will be warming up in the a few times, but I'm not going to say that it's going to happen all the time. So you can see here the main picture. If we do see some snow, it does depend, because the UKV isn't very good at doing that. But you can see here on this area, it says rain coming in onto Tuesday and onto maybe Wednesday as well. So it does say we're in a little bit of a lower pressure system. Now this is the precipitation type. Over here, we've got Monday, and I might even get some snow. You can see here a mix of snow and rain. So rain could change to snow, which is quite dangerous sometimes. It has to go through a phase of sleet, freezing rain, then snow. So it could be a little bit icy there. And the same for Saturday. We could get a watch of could get some snow. We'll have to see how Southland gets. But main picture, I can't really say for certain. The snow might be snow. Definitely, the models are starting to agree a little bit more on that. But main focus -7 for next week. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.